Hello and welcome back to NCH Software Academy, and today I'm back with another course. So the name of this course is called My First Drawing on Express Animate, of which we will be drawing and animating our first cartoon. So this course is very basic and it's for beginners from the age of 13 until the early 20s. So I'll be showing you some basics on how to deal with the course. So the first time you open your Express Animate, this is what you will see. So Express Animate try to give you everything just straightforward. You can find anything in your face, not just like other courses whereby you have to click other tabs to find more. For example, what I'm talking about, we can find like the edit button here. This is where like we animate our cartoon. This is where we draw our cartoon. This is a position where we find all our composition. So we can use a mouse. I'm using a mouse to zoom out and zoom in. So this is one of the things that we'll be doing. We don't have a scroll button where we can scroll up or scroll down here on the side. So we can only zoom in and zoom out from this area. Then we also have this small button. This small button is just to adjust like the side panel. You can make it a little bit smaller. You can also make it a little bit bigger. So we also have like here we have our drawing tools. We have our add text if we want to add text. Then we have our add objects. Then if you click here, we have all the options we can use to draw. Then if you go to object here on top, this is where like you will find so many different things that you can use to draw, to record, and I will tell you more about the parent as time goes by, as the course goes by. Then we have our draw. Then also in our draw we have all those options we can use to draw. We can use a polygon to draw a cartoon. We can use this Bezier curve to draw. And obviously, as you guys already know, if you want to draw something like a building, then definitely you gotta use a rectangle, because this is 2D animation. 2D animation. So you gotta use if you want to draw something like a stop sign, then you gotta use your circle. So there are a lot of things that we can use. So if like you just select your rectangle, then you just hold your right side of your mouse, then you just draw it like that. That's how like I make it like that. Then for our circle also, I hold like the right side of the mouse, I hold it, then I draw how big I want my circle to be. So this will be the first course and like the introduction of the course. I will be doing more from the second episode. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. See you next time.